Zoeshaaa.
Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Zoeshaaa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the title, you already know what we're getting into today. I'm really excited for this video because I've been here on YouTube now for maybe about 4 or 5 years, around that amount of time. And I'm always looking for ways to see how I can upgrade either my equipment, how I'm editing, you know, just to kind of stay relevant and also keep my audience entertained. So initially I had started off with my lighting, and with that I currently have my ring light, which was a really good investment. And that's the thing with YouTube, you have to invest in order to get a return. You have to invest in order to grow, because everything around us is changing every single day. You know, the quality of videos also determines the amount of people that are going to be watching your videos, because if you have crappy videos, nobody's really going to want to watch what you're saying, anything. You could be selling the world's greatest thing, nobody's gonna care because your quality of your video sucks. So I feel like you always have to be upgrading your equipment, whether that be, you know, changing from your phone to getting a camera. Or for myself, I'm always talking in my videos, so I would like for my audience to hear what I'm saying in the, you know, the best tone, whether that be a crisp sound, less background noise, whatever the case may be. So when this company reached out to me to review their microphone, I was really excited because this was something that I was really looking forward to use. The good thing about this product is that it works with smartphones, and mainly smartphones. And as I said, that is what I'm primarily using right now to record my content. So if you're a YouTuber, whether you've been on YouTube for a long time, you're a small YouTuber, you know, trying to, you know, get into the game and like get a good foot forward in, this is something that you will definitely be interested. So stay tuned and continue watching. All right guys, so this is the microphone. Like, just look at how fancy it looks. Like, hello, like, hello. Okay, so yeah, so this is the microphone. It is the Comica CVM VM10-K2 multifunction smartphone video kit. This is professional audio professional audio equipment. Talk to me nice, talk to me good here, because we are professional. So this is what it comes. This is exactly how it came. I never opened it, I never did anything. I waited specifically for this video to do this. So yeah, let's just jump on right into it. I need some tape up a little bit or whatever. But yeah, okay, wait, first let me just tell you guys about it. So the main features: combine audio and video, provide a better shooting experience, exquisite filming suite, complete functions, versatile handheld smartphone clamp, full video capture, professional mic, cardioid pattern, extensible with flexible combination, bottom 1/4 external screw port for extended connection, CNC processing, solid and durable. Okay, easy to install, flexible combination, supports iOS and Android, mini and light. Hello. Okay. Woo. I don't want to break my nail. All right, we're back. We got it. Okay. I love unboxing stuff like that. Don't you guys love when you guys get packages? Like, I just love when I get packages. Like, even though you know what's coming, it's like, oh, like to get it in your hands, it's like a different feeling. It's like Christmas every time. Oh my God. Hello. Talk to me nice. Hello. If you travel and vlog, you will be happy for things like this. Like when things come in a case where you can just easily like throw this in your hand luggage, your carry-on, your suitcase, and be good, like this means everything. Oh my gosh, like I am in love with the product already. I am absolutely in love with the product already. Like, you guys don't understand how, like, if you travel and you vlog or record content when you're traveling, you know how it is when it comes down to packing your equipment and hoping or wishing that nothing breaks because either you don't have a case for it or I don't know. But when things can be compact and put into a case. So this is the travel case that it comes with. Like, I'm excited because I have a trip coming up and like this is coming with me. So this is just easy in my purse, in my hand luggage. Talk to me, go talk to me. Now, who can talk to me? Hello? Hello? Come, I can open up something, man. I'm excited. Okay. So this is what it looks like when you open it. Yeah. It just comes with this warranty instructions. This is just a card about the store. This is the user manual, so it just pretty much, you know, tells you how to use it. I'm an idiot, so I think this should be pretty easy. Yeah, okay, let me wait for the big stuff. Let me pull out the little stuff them first. Okay, so this is the audio cord. This is the audio cord that you're gonna use to attach to the mic as well as your phone. Yeah. Throw that back in there. Hello, people. Me is a professional. It come with the wind something, the wind muffler. Yeah, to block out the wind noise. Can you know say, especially in Jamaica when it breezy. So you can imagine when me in the car, I'm have the microphone, I'm have this over it. What wind? What wind? Which wind? Hello. Listen, I'm excited. Oh my gosh, I am excited. Okay? Yo, I was saying how much I need to get one for my trip because the one that I have right now, it's not working. And this is the good one, like the good one. Like, it'll bend up and not stay in shape. Like, I am super happy for this mini tripod. Any vloggers out there that are just starting a YouTube channel or have a YouTube channel and do not have a mini tripod, please to go out and get one. This will help you out in so many ways. It helps keep your videos steady. I know this is not about that in this video, but just a tip. It helps keeps your videos steady and stuff because when you just have your phone in your hand and you're walking up and down and doing whatever, it gets really shaky. But this, goodie. Alright, then we have the clamp for the smartphones. So you would just screw this on. Yeah. Oh, and then you screw this. I don't know if you guys can see, but you screw this and it gets taller or it gets smaller to fit your smartphone. So that's really, really good because it's not the springy one. So your phone can't just pop out. Okay, and then we got the baby. Yo, the main attraction, you guys. I have a microphone. Like a mic, a whole freaking mic. This is lit. This is legit. Like, legit. Okay, so I think this goes, oh, this goes right in here, so like that. Hold on there. Hold on, people. I'm coming on seem like I idiot. There we go. So you slide it in there. Ooh, and you turn it. Ooh, it's a whole mic. Hello, it's your favorite girl Zoeshaaa, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to wait, what is, ooh, so this is the thing that makes it move. There's a button, if you guys can see it right here. You guys press this and it moves around and around and around, so you get to put it up exactly where you want it, buddy. Right there. I want it right there in my face, right there. Yes, hello. Oh my gosh. Okay, all right, let me quickly go put my phone in this I'm gonna actually go record on my phone and see what it sounds like on my phone, and then use the mic, see what it sounds like on the phone, and then come back and let you guys know. So be right back. Okay, so I just quickly wanted to come back and show you guys what it looks like with everything hooked up. Ooh, so this is my phone to my camera. I'm going to, okay, let me vlog a little bit with this, or record a little bit with this, and then come right back. Hey guys, so I'm recording just with my phone. Just regular schmegular recording with my phone. You know, let me get up and just, you know, move around a little bit. You know, yes, I'm in my room. My room is not finished painted yet. Are you guys following along with my vlogs? I don't know if this video is going up first or whatever the case may be, but stay tuned. Yes, so yes, this is what's happening right now. Okay, ring light and everything. Hey. So yeah, this is just me recording with my phone. Now let's see what it's like with recording with the mic. Okay, so this is me now using the mic. I don't know if there's any difference. Obviously I can't hear the difference yet, but I'm excited to play back and hear to see if there's any difference. You guys let me know down in the comments below. Do you guys hear a difference in my tone? Yes or no? Was this review successful? Yes or no? I hope there's a difference. Just because this would be bomb. Like, I just feel like the quality sounding in my videos, bomb. So I hope this works. Let me go back, watch the clips, and come back. Oh my God! Do you work, Mike? Do you work? I had to come back and try it again. I'm gonna leave the camera just running on and just see like if there is any difference. So yeah, this is just me using my regular phone, and now this is me using the mic. I took off the speaker thingy. Let me try it actually with the wind thingy and just see. There we go. I put on the little wind muffler thingy there, you know, so. See if the wind, you know, yo, I'm gonna eat it. But no, you guys, for real, I'm mad excited. Like, I'm really excited. I feel like, yeah, this is gonna be good. Hey guys, so I watched back my footage, and as you guys will see here, when I did the first video, or when I had the this covering thing on it, in the first two videos, well, not in the first two videos, in the first video where I was like, I'm gonna record with this and then I'm gonna record with that, I did not get to pick up really. I heard the difference a little bit because there was less static. I noticed in the clip, but when I took this off and I had left it running, oh my gosh, the difference. Whoa. So y'all heard it for yourself. I don't even need to say anything else. If you guys are looking to upgrade your stuff, hello, this is a whole kit. You get a tripod, a mic, the wind breaker, dust or something, okay, a traveling case or carry case for an amazing deal. I will leave the link to the store down below where you guys can go and get yourselves one. Thank me. I am excited. I'm about to go record some videos, and I think that you'll be able to, just because there's a lot of like parts where you can screw this on. I believe you can use this with other stuff. I'm gonna see if there's any way that I can use this with like a camera or anything else, because yo, I am excited. This was a great investment. I'm super excited. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys, especially if you guys are YouTubers, will enjoy this product. Thank me later, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're new. If you are returning, please hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. And again, as I said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.